Between the complexities of current events and the constant navigation of life's big moments, we can all use a crash course in personal finance. Today we're speaking with financial leader Steph from Robinhood to learn more about how to relieve money stress and help us financially navigate everything from regular expenses to life's big moments and even build long-term wealth over time. Welcome, Steph.
Thank you. I'm so excited to be here and talk about spending, savings, and investing, especially in light of the inflation we've had this year.
First, I've heard some say now is a good time to reevaluate budgets and investment goals. Do you agree with this?
I absolutely do. With gas prices up 40%, food prices up 20, double digits this year, it's a great time to relook at your totals. What's the total coming in and what's the total that has to go out and what's left, if anything?
I think all you have to do is walk through a grocery store right now to feel that sticker shock. With inflation, is it even possible for someone on a tight budget to save for the future?
It is. I think it's never too early to get, it's every little bit helps, I should say. And I think it's important to establish a rainy day fund if you can, especially in light of an inflationary environment. And what goes into your rainy day fund is really determined by two things. One being what your personal, monthly budget is, and also what your personal preferences are and what will make you feel peace of mind. I think a good rule of thumb for that is 3 months to 12 months worth of expenses.
First-time investors may see the up and down swing of the market and be too intimidated to even get started. What should these folks know in order to feel more confident when starting out?
I totally understand that. And I think the first thing to understand or know is the why invest. It's been a powerful wealth creation tool over time, yet still only 10% of households own 90% of the value of stocks. And so Robinhood was founded on, the premise that we want to provide access to people, to everyday people. The next thing, I think, two important things to understand as well is, one, time is the most important aspect to investing, and the longer you have, the more you can ride out the ups and downs and eventually, have those investments be successful for you. And the last thing is, staying invested. Once you do decide to get invested, staying invested is extremely important. Over the last 20 years, the S&P 500, or the US stock market, has given you a 10% return per year. But if you miss the 10 best days, your return drops to 6% per year. So it's really important to stay invested.
Where can we get more information?
Robinhood.com to learn more.
Thank you, Steph.
Thank you.